Hello everyone, it's me Sanjeev Kumar from Patna, Bihar, and I am graduate of CIT at Hyderabad. And today I am very disappointed to tell you a very shocking news, and it's about Mr. Amir Macho. Yes, I repeat the name Amir Macho. He's also a graduate from CIT, and what he has done to me, I'm going to tell you briefly about him. Actually, with my family, currently I'm staying in Jharkhand for ministry purpose, and everybody know about what happened to the community during these past months. So, uh, 2 months ago, Mr. Amir Macho he called me by saying that, "Hey man, there is a good job for you. Are you willing to do?" I said, "Yes, brother. My situation is not so good, and we are staying in rented house, and uh, especially in Jharkhand, and uh, for the purpose of ministry. So situation is very bad due to COVID-19. So I am really looking for a job, and I want to really work for 2-3 months, uh, uh, by which I can help my family economically." So Mr. Amir Macho he offered me a job by saying that uh, there is a proper official work in Raurkela. There is a place named Raurkela in Odisha, and 8 hours job will be there. So you come and everything I will take care. But I said to him, "Brother, if it is job, you please call me. Other than if it is direct selling market, networking, please don't put me in trouble. I am not interested. I only need job at present to sustain my family." So he said, "Yes, don't think anything, you just come." But he said a criteria to me. The criteria he said about the job, he said, to get in for this job, you have to pay 15,000 rupees for that. Yes, I repeat, 15,000 rupees. So here onwards, I had doubt. For any private job, you go, hardly you have to go through interview, and then probably you get job. So I had doubt why this man is asking money. Uh, anyway, I trusted him. It's because he's a brother who stayed in CIT for a year with me, and he has done MD. So I was happy because he is a Christian man, and he is a man of God, has gone through theological study. So with this, based on this, I trusted him. And repeatedly I said, "Brother, you please don't call me if it is networking, direct selling, anything apart from job. I am coming for job. You are calling me because I need job, and at present it requires for me because my family condition is so bad, staying in rented house, and we are already in difficult situation." So he said, "No, you just send the money, 15,000. So I said, "Brother, I don't have money." But somehow I arranged money 10,000, and I said 5 I will give later. So 10 you just take. So I sent. So later I received a message, and it says that your product will reach soon. So again I called, "Brother Amir, I got a message. It says something gift is there, you will get. So where you have invested my money? So are you telling the truth? Are you calling for me job? Are you calling for job, or is there anything?" He said again, No. It's job, official job, 15,000 salary, 8 hours job. There is no heavyweight work. You just come." And finally he has invested my money somewhere. That is also without my permission. I was not billing, and I said, brother, I am not interested in networking or in any direct selling market. I am giving you money only for the job if it is required. And today I have been calling him. So his all his social account is closed, and I am so much trouble. I borrowed 10,000 money from somewhere, and today he is nowhere. Even he is not contacting me, and he spoke lies to me, and I am very much disturbed. I trusted him and he done wrong to me. Without my knowledge and against will of mine, he has done wrong, and he has invested my money somewhere, and in return I have been asking him my money to please return me, and his phone number, his Facebook, his WhatsApp, everything is closed, and I am very much disturbed because of his behavior. I never ever expected, I trusted him, but he has done very wrong to me. So I am very much disturbed, and I am taking a step now to file a case against him, that is cybercrime. I will file a cybercrime case against him if he doesn't return my money. So I really the purpose of this video is, wherever you are, you please go through this video, Mr. Amir Macho, and I only request you now still to please return my 10,000 money. You don't know how much in trouble we are, and I have borrowed those 10,000 money from somewhere, and you are doing such a wrong to me. Yes, I was willing for work, but not for direct selling, marketing, networking, and you spoke lies to me. So still there is opportunity for you. If you return my money, I will come down. If not, I will file a case against you. It is cybercrime case. So please, wherever you are, think about it. You cannot do wrong like that to your close one, and whom you know, and who are trusting on you. And I have contacting you, and you are not listening. So please take my words very seriously, otherwise you will be in trouble. And whoever is watching this video, request you to please send to everywhere, all CIT family and friends and teachers, that this is the result what Amir Macho is doing to people, and he is never changed. He has gone through he has gone through a theological training, but this is what he is doing with others. Thank you.